This week's lit terms include a review of metaphor, simile, and imagery. Remember when we discussed metaphors back in week 4 in the rhetorical devices video? Of course you do, because you're a top-notch student who pays attention, takes notes, and studies. If you didn't see that video, go watch it. You'll be reminded that metaphors compare one thing with qualities of another thing by directly calling it that other thing. For example, Michael Phelps is a swimmer whose 18 Olympic gold medals, 2 silver medals, and 2 bronze medals make him the most decorated Olympic athlete of all time. Given his prowess as a swimmer, it is understood that saying Michael Phelps is a shark is not a literal statement. It's a metaphor to compare him with an animal specifically evolved to thrive in an underwater environment. If someone were to extend that same concept to a lawyer, it would be understood that the lawyer was being ascribed as dangerous or aggressive in the way that sharks are perceived to be. Context informs the metaphor. A simile does the same thing, specifically using like or as. Instead of saying that Michael Phelps is a shark, we might say that he swims like a shark, or that he is as fast as a shark in water. Imagery refers to vivid visual description in writing. If what you read paints a very clear picture for you of what the author is attempting to describe, it's clear that imagery is being applied. These descriptions are not limited to literal visual descriptions. Imagery can use metaphors and similes to drive home a firm description, but the emphasis is visual. For example, the dark marble tides caressed the gritty shore. The fighter jet swooped over our heads like a massive metallic eagle. Her blue eyes were bright as the sun, but soft as silk. In review, metaphors compare two things by referring to thing 1 as thing 2. There will be more examples in the figurative language video in week 7. Similes use like or as to draw a figurative comparison. Imagery is a vivid visual description in writing. See you next time.